Hello guys, it is CheapNails. Happy News. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my new Shany glitter nail polish that I bought. I bought it off of Amazon 1 week ago. I will make another video of me like swatching you and showing you the colors, but I just wanted to make this video to show you me opening the box because it's exciting. So, I want to show you. It opens very nicely. Okay, I'll open it. Oh, it's packed. My hair is in it. It's packed really nicely. Okay, let's try to get it. You see it? Let me try to get it. It's packed in there very nicely. It smells like nail polish. Okay, guys, let's see. Oh, that's so pretty. They're big bottles. They're big bottles. Why am I yelling? Oh. Guys, they're so pretty. Ew. They're really big bottles. Shany glitter collection. Oh, I dropped something. So, I kicked the camera. Okay, so it comes with a little black plastic stand, and this came in the box. It says Shany, and it's a little black envelope. Ooh, it's a girl with red lipstick on, and it says thank you. Please visit us. It says, thank you for purchasing Shany cosmetic products, whether you love it or something. I don't know. But it looks great. So it's little thick card they give you. I like the little black thing they put it on. I can't get it back in there. I don't know. So here they are. Get me a scissor. Look at them. You know, open it like this. All the way around. Oh my gosh, there's a red glitter, and all these glitters are so pretty. I'm just sitting here. Okay, the plastic is coming off. I'll give you a play. Plastic cutting is being cut off. Lifting top up now. This is packaged really nicely, I have to say. Package is, it's very sturdy. I can see why none of the polishes would ever move around with this packaging. Okay, I gotta get it off. Is not that one of the most beautiful things you have ever seen? If you have these and you have ever used these Shany glitter polishes, please tell me down in the comment section down below what you think of them. Because it's my first time and they're beautiful! I mean, look at them! Look at them. There's a green, there's a light blue, there's a dark blue, there's a purple, there's a green. Did I already say green? There's 2 greens! They're different shades. There's a gold, there's a silver, there's like this rainbow one. So that's what it, oh my gosh, that one is so nice. There's a pink. There's a darker pink. There's a red. I can't get it out. Oh, there's a red. Look at the size of these bottles. Ruby slippers. Ah, that is so nice. Dragon's breath. That doesn't look like dragon's breath. That looks like a pumpkin. But whatever. Oh, and they all have names. Oh, this is so nice. This set is so nice. I will put this set down in the description box down below if you want to check it out. And I think they're so pretty. First impression, I really love how they were packaged. They were packaged so tightly that none of them could ever fall over or something. Pegasus wings. Ooh, they got nice names. Their packaging's really nice. The bottles are pretty big bottles, and they all look so pretty. And I like the little black stand they give you, the glitter. It says Shanty Glitter Collection. I think I like that. That's so pretty. I paid $14.99 for this set, and they were sold out for all of Christmas, and then finally they got some back in. So I'm so glad that I got it because they're so pretty. Now, I will review these in another video, but in this video I just wanted to show you my reaction and me unboxing it because I was so excited because I just got it today and I had to unbox it on camera to show you that I got them. I like how you get 2 different shades of green. That's so nice. And 2 different shades of blue. Not related to this wonderful glitter polish that I got. I also got my designer blue light protection glasses today. I got them off of Amazon and I want to start wearing them because obviously I want to protect my eyes when I'm like editing on the computer for hours and hours and hours when I'm editing my videos. So guys, tell me down in the comment section what you think of this and have you heard of it? Do you use anything like this? And tell me what your thoughts about it. I would really like to know. I've unboxed my beautiful glitters and I will show you another video. But as for this video, give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. And yeah, I think that's it. Beautiful glitters, that's all I have to say. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!